Hello, today we'll be comparing Nespresso Vertuo Next Coffee Espresso Maker by G versus Braun KF6050WH brews and drip coffee maker. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Brewing options: Nespresso is better, capacity Braun is better, material bean Braun is better, brew strength control Braun is better, programmable feature Braun is better, water reservoir Braun is better, keep warm function Braun is better, after shut off is tie, green juice tie, milk frozen is tie. Dimensions: Nespresso is better, ease of cleaning Nespresso is better, care type Braun's better, compatibility Braun's better, price Braun's better, special features Braun's better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that really tastes good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Braun KF6050WH brews and drip coffee maker. The link to buy this in the video description.